My name is Brent.
I'm Laura.
We're from middle southern Tennessee. I just came out of a 20-year career and looking for what to do next, and decided that the NRVTA was for me. So I came down last April of 2022, completed all the training. So we didn't do any advertising as far as the business goes. I went around to some local smaller dealerships, some campgrounds, told them who I was, what I did. For not doing any advertising, we've been very successful and very busy. So it's been very, very fulfilling and enriching to be able to help people that are stranded or that need something done.
And if you're not like me, I just wanted to come in and learn what he was doing, learn more about how he figures out, the troubleshooting. And coming to the NRVTA class, it's opened my eyes to so many different things. During the first couple of days of fundamentals, just certain things I started learning, I thought, hey, I can do more than just learn about my own rig. I can do more than just learn about what he's been doing.
I would say anybody that is looking for a career change, look into the NRVTA. This is a very rewarding career, helping people, maybe doing some traveling, but it would definitely be something I would look into.